Scene script, goal setting, a term tossed around in boardrooms, classrooms, and cozy coffee shop corners alike. But what does it truly mean to set a goal? Simply put, it's the art of identifying something you aspire to achieve and establishing measurable steps and timelines to make it happen. Now imagine you're an archer. Your goal isn't just to hit the target, but to hit the bullseye. This is where SMART criteria swoop in. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Each element of SMART ensures your goal isn't just a distant dream, but a near-future reality. Take specific, for instance. A goal should be clear and specific, so you know exactly what you're aiming for. Instead of saying, I want to be more fit, specify it to, I want to be able to run 5 miles without a break. Here, the target isn't just fitness, it's a concrete level of endurance. Next up, measurable. A goal requires a metric for tracking progress. If our goal is to run 5 miles, perhaps we start by running 1 mile and gradually increase the distance. This way, you can literally measure the ground covered. Moving on to achievable. Goals should stretch your abilities but remain possible. If you've never run before, aiming to run 5 miles within a week is less achievable. However, setting a progressive plan over several months to reach 5 miles is within the realm of achievability. Relevant is our fourth criterion. Ensure the goal matters and aligns with other relevant objectives. If your overall aim is to improve cardiovascular health, running 5 miles fits perfectly into this puzzle. Lastly, time-bound. Every goal needs a deadline, a finish line you're working toward. Without a timeline, the goal is as good as a ship sailing without a destination. For running 5 miles, you might set a deadline of 3 months, giving each phase of training a specific timeline. To wrap it all up, setting a SMART goal transforms a vague wish into a clear-cut target with a structured plan. Break down the tasks, set deadlines, and keep a flexible yet focused approach. Monitor your progress regularly, adjusting as necessary to stay on course. In conclusion, remember that goal setting isn't just about reaching an endpoint. It's about setting up a SMART roadmap, tracking the journey, and adapting your strategies to meet challenges head-on. Whether personal or professional, large or small, each goal steers you closer to your ultimate aspirations, one SMART step at a time.